How you guys doing, and welcome to another ARC Garage video. If you want to see more Alfa Romeo related content, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you already didn't. In today's video I'm going to show you how to remove the interior door handle on Alfa Romeo GT and Alfa 147. Now, to gain access to the door handle, you first have to remove the door panel. So here you're going to see the fast forwarded version. If you want to see the full videos on door panel removal both for Alfa GT and 147, I'll put the links into the description below. Alright, here's our door handle. It's essentially held in place by these two Phillips screws right here. So basically all I need is a Phillips screwdriver to remove it. So I'm going to take my screwdriver and undo these two screws. Now this white piece right here is broken on the GT, but you can see on this 147 all we gotta do is pull it out. Now you can separate the door handle. All we gotta do is remove this metal rod. Now turn the door handle this way, and all you gotta do is push this plastic piece to the back. Now pull the rod out, and that is basically it. Here's your door handle.